Good day, kids! How are you today? I hope you're all doing fine. Today, we have another interesting topic in Mathematics 5, Part 3, Week 6, Milk number 16. I'm Teacher X, your teacher for today's lesson. Our topic is formulating the rule in finding the next term in a sequence. Learning competency formulates the rules in finding the next term in a sequence.
Do you know that? Patterns are the heart of mathematics. Mathematics has sometimes been called a science of patterns. According to Resnick 1981, we think of mathematics as having structure, and that structure enables us to solve problems. The structure is built around looking for and manipulating patterns. A list of numbers arranged in a row is called a number sequence. 3, 5, 7, and 9. 3 is the first term. 5, second term. 7, third term. And 9, the fourth term. The 3 dots means goes on forever, or what we call infinite. Each number in the sequence is called a term. A pattern is a repetitive sequence and can be found in nature, shapes, events, set of numbers, and almost everywhere you care to look. A sequence usually has a rule, which is a way to find the value of each item. Before we proceed to our lesson, let's have first some short exercises. Directions: fill in the missing values and describe the number pattern. Write your answers on a piece of paper. You have 30 seconds to answer the task. Time's up! Here are the answers. Good job, kids! It seems like that you are ready to move on to our new lesson. Overview. To formulate the rule in finding the pattern in a sequence, first, determine the order of the numbers if it's ascending or descending. Second, analyze how the succeeding terms are formed. A constant number may be added, subtracted, multiplied, or divided to the previous term to get the next term. Lastly, determine whether the difference between the terms are all odd, even, multiples of a number, or factors of a number.
In this lesson, you will be provided with learning activities that will help you to find pattern in a series.
Example number 1. Find the next 3 terms of the sequence 2, 5, 8. Can you find the pattern or sequence used? Yes, it is. The rule here is add 3. Solution: 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 3 equals 8. 8 plus 3 equals 11. 11 plus 3 equals 14. And 14 plus 3 equals 17. Therefore, the next three patterns of the sequence are 11, 14, 17. The sequence is 2, 5, 8, 11, 14, and 17. Let's have another example. Example number 2. Find the next three terms of the sequence 3, 6, 12, 24. What do you think is the next three terms in the sequence? The rule here is simply multiply by 2. Solution: 3 times 2 equals 6. 6 times 2 equals 12. 12 times 2 equals 24. 24 times 2 equals 48. 48 times 2 equals 96. 96 times 2 equals 192. Therefore, the next three terms of the sequence are 48, 96, and 192. The sequence is 3, 6, 12, 24, 48, 96, and 192. Example number 3. Find the next three terms of the sequence 1, 3, 7, 15. What rule can you formulate to find the missing term? The rule here is multiply by 2 and add 1. Solution: 1 times 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. 3 times 2 plus 1 is equal to 7. 7 times 2 plus 1 is equal to 15. 15 times 2 plus 1 is equal to 31. 31 times 2 plus 1 is equal to 63. 63 times 2 plus 1 is equal to 127. Therefore, the next three terms of the sequence are 31, 63, and 127. The sequence is 1, 3, 7, 15, 31, 63, and 127. Example number 4. 45, 37, 29, 21, 13. What rule can you formulate in this sequence? Good job! The rule is subtract 8. The sequence of the numbers is in descending order. Get the difference between 45 and 37. In like manner with 37 and 29. The difference between is 8. Solution: 45 minus 8 is equal to 37. 37 minus 8 is equal to 29. 29 minus 8 is equal to 21. 21 minus 8 is equal to 13. Good job, kids! To test if how far you understood the lesson, I want you to bring a piece of paper and answer the following activities. Are you ready, kids? Activity letter A. Directions. Formulate a rule for the following data in a sequence. Match the sequence in column A to the function rule in column B. Write the letter of your answer before each number. Let me answer number 1 for you. Number 1, 2, 6, 18, 54. The rule here is multiply by 3. Solutions: 2 times 3 is equal to 6. 6 times 3 is equal to 18. 18 times 3 is equal to 54. So the final answer is letter E. Kids, it's your turn to answer items 2 to 5. I will give you 40 seconds to finish the activity. Is that clear? Your timer starts now. Time's up! Let's see if your answers are all correct. Here are the answers. Good job! Who among of you got a perfect score? Excellent! To deepen your understanding, here's another activity for you. Activity letter B, directions. Give the function rule of the following data and circle the letter of the correct answer. Number 1, 104, 96, 88, 80. As you've noticed, the sequence of the numbers is in descending order. Get the difference between 104 and 96, and that is 8. So the rule is subtract 8. 100 minus 8 is equal to 96. 96 minus 8 is equal to 88. 88 minus 8 is equal to 80. The letter of the correct answer is letter C. Kids, it's your turn to answer item 2 to 5. I'll give you another 40 seconds to finish the activity. Your timer starts now. Time's up! Let's see if your answers are all correct. Here are the answers. Congratulations! I want you to answer activity C. Directions. Find the next three terms and formulate a rule for the following data in a sequence. Number 1, 2, 7, 17, 32. The rule here is multiple of 5. Solution: 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. 7 plus 10 is equal to 17. 17 plus 15 is equal to 32. 32 plus 20 is equal to 52. 52 plus 25 is equal to 77. And 77 plus 30 is equal to 107. Kids, it's your turn to answer items 2 to 5. Your timer starts now. Time's up! Let's see if your answers are all correct. Here are the answers.
You did a good job today. I hope you've learned a lot from me. You are now ready for the next video.
TunePocket.com.
Congratulations!